Hello guys, I hope you are doing really well. Today I have with me Nokia 5710 Express Audio mobile phone, and in this video I will show you top 17 tips and tricks for using this phone. So guys, the first tip is related to view setup. Okay, so first of all I will go inside the menu by pressing this middle button. Okay, so here you can see we have 3 by 3 grid view, but you can change it. Okay, if you want to make it as a list. Okay, so if you want to make it as a list, you see these 3 lines. So the button underneath these 3 lines, just press it. Once you press it, you will see this option of list view. So you just select it. So now you can see everything is now in the list view mode. Okay, there is one more option. You can change it to icon only view. Okay, so you select these 3 lines, you see this button under these 3 lines, just select it. So here you can see the second option over here, it says one icon view. So if I just select it, so now you can see everything is in one single icon on your screen. Okay, so this is how you can change the view, but now I only want 3 by 3 grid view, so I will make it like this. Okay, the next tip is related to theme color option. So you can change the theme colors. Again, you select this button from here. Okay, you see these lines, just select this button. Okay, and then you see this option of theme color. Okay, so you just select it. So here you have different themes, so on top different colors, so you can select any color. So you can see this circle is changing its color. Okay, so you can select any color from here. Okay, for example, I like this green one, so I just select it. The next tip is related to how to turn on the mobile data. So first I will go inside the menu by pressing this middle button. So once you enter into the menu, you have to scroll down and you will see an option of settings. So here is the setting icon, just select it. Once you select it, just press the middle button to go inside the setting, and here you see the second option of connectivity, just select it. Once you select it, you have to scroll down, and third option over here, it says dual sim, just select it. Once you select it, again you have to scroll down and you will see this option of mobile data connection, just select it. Once you select it, here you see this mobile data, so you press the middle button to change it. So if you press it, you can see now the mobile data is turned on. So you can see it says 4G. Okay, so now it is turned on. Okay, now I can go back. Okay, the next tip is related to using the internet browser. So go inside the menu by pressing the middle button. Okay, and here you see this internet browser option, so I just select it. Okay, it says internet. So once you select it, okay, once you open it, here you have all your websites available, for example Google, okay, Facebook, latest news. Okay, so different things are available. For example, I select the Google. Okay, so you can select Google. From here you can type a name of the website. Okay, so for example, I just write here Google again. Okay, I will show you google.com. Let's see if it's open. Okay, google.com, I press OK. So now you can see it is processing now, and here you can see the Google is now open. You can search. Okay, everything is available over here, so you can see the Google is now open. The next thing is you can also use Facebook in this mobile phone. So here is the Facebook app. It is pre-installed. You just select it. Once you select it, it will open the Facebook, and here you can enter your username, password, everything, and you can log in into the Facebook. The next tip is related to keypad lock. Okay, so how to lock your keypad, how to put security code. Okay, so first of all, go into the menu. Once you enter into the menu, scroll down and select this settings icon, just select it. Once you enter into the settings, you see, if you scroll down, you see this option of security, just select it. Once you select it, the first option over here, it says key guard, just select it. Once you select, you will see the first option, it says automatic key guard. So if you want to enable the automatic key guard, you can turn it on by just selecting like this. Okay, the next thing is security code. So now if you want to enter the security code, you have to scroll down. Okay, and here you see it is disabled now. So if you press this middle button, you can change it and you can enable it. Now it will ask you a new security code. So here you can put your security code. For example, I put 12345 6 and then I press OK. Okay, so now again it will ask me verify new security code. So I can 12345 6. I press OK. So now you can see security code set. Okay, so now everything is done. If I go back by pressing this button, okay, if I come to my menu, and now after few seconds it will automatically lock my mobile phone. So now you can see the phone is locked. If I want to unlock it, I press this middle button, then it will ask me the security code. So I will put the security code. Okay, and now I press OK. So now the code is approved and now I can use my phone. The next step is related to go to settings. So you see this icon over here. Okay, it is related to go to options. So if I select this button over here, okay, so for example, if I press this button, so you can see it will show me different options. So basically these are kind of shortcuts. I can directly go from here. So you can customize it, you can add more options in this go to options. So how to do it? I will come back. Okay, then I go to menu. Once I enter into the menu, I go to settings. So here is the settings icon, just select it. Once you select it, you have to scroll down. Okay, and you see this option of go to settings, just select it. Once you select it, here you see the first option, it says select options. So here you can see you can add more options. You can add camera, you can add contacts, you can add call history. So a lot of options are available. So once you're done, so you see this tick icon over here, just press this button underneath this tick icon and it will ask you to save changes. You press middle button for OK. So now it is changed. So now if I select this button over here for go to, okay, so I just select it and here you will see more options will be available. Okay, so you can see we have camera, now we have contacts, and we also have call history. So now you can add more option in the go to settings. The next step is related to font size. You can change the font size to large or small. So go inside the menu and then go into the settings option. Okay, once you enter into the settings, okay, you see this third option of personalization, just select it. Once you select it, you have to scroll down and you see this option of font size, just select it. Once you select it, here you have two options, large font, small font. If you want small font, you can select it, it will be like this. If you want large font, you can change it into the large font. Okay, now I will go back. The next step is related to wallpaper. So if you want to change the wallpaper, just go inside the menu. Okay, and then select the settings icon over here. So once you select it, you will see the third option over here, it says personalization, just select it. Once you select it, you will see an option of lock screen background, this one, just select it. Once you select, here you have the first option, it says wallpapers, just select it. And here you have different wallpapers you can select. For example, I want this wallpaper, I just select it and then you can see it asks me to take it. If I want to make this wallpaper background, I press this button over here. So once you press, it will select this wallpaper in your screen. If I go back, so here is my new wallpaper. The next tip is related to restore factory setting. If you want to erase all the data, if you want to clear your phone, so how to do it? First of all, go inside the menu. Okay, once you enter into the menu, just go into the settings. Okay, so here is the settings icon, just select it. Once you select it, you will see an option of system, the first option, just select it. Once you select it, you have to scroll down. Okay, and you see this option of about, just select it. Once you select it, here you see the second option, it says restore factory settings, just select it. Once you select, it will give you two options: full restore, so it will delete all the data from your mobile phone, and the second option is restore settings only, so it will only restore the settings. So it's up to you whichever option you want to select from here. The next step is related to pairing the earbuds. So how to connect the earbuds? Okay, as you know that earbuds already attached to this mobile phone. So if I take it out one by one, I will just do it like this. I will just take them out first. Okay, now what I have to do is I will go inside the menu. Okay, so once you enter into the menu, okay, you have to scroll down and you see this option of earbuds. Just select it. Once you select it, the first option, it says TWS connect, and currently it is disconnected. Okay, so you just select it, you press the middle button. Okay, now the first option, it says TWS connect, so you have to change it. Just press this middle button, so now it is enable. Okay, you can see now it is enable. Now the second thing what you have to do is go down, select this option of device found, just select it. Once you select, here it says Nokia Express Audio Earbuds Paired. So here you see this cut sign, so the button underneath this cut sign, you have to press it. Once you press, here it will ask you to connect, so here you press this to connect it. Okay, it will take just a moment. So connected audio, switch to this accessory, press OK. So now it is connected. Now you go back, again go back one time. So here you can see it is now connected wireless earbuds. So here you see these green color batteries are showing over here. It means they are connected, and here it is also written that TWS connect is now connected. Now you can use these earbuds. The next tip is related to camera effect. So in this phone you have camera effect option. Just select the menu. Okay, just select this camera from here, and then I open the camera. So now here you can see the camera is now open, so you can have different effects. Okay, so for example, I want to put this one over here, and then if you want to select different effects, okay, so you select this button over here. So once you select, here you have option of effects, just select it. Once you select, here you have different effects. So here it is normal. So if you move it like this using this button, so it will have different effects. You have black and white, you have blue, green, yellow, red, canvas, and negative. So here is the negative effect, which is quite impressive. So here you can see this is the negative effect. So this is actually the box that I want to take the picture, and here if I put under the negative effect, it look like this. Okay, so you can use this feature as well. The next tip is related to these side buttons. Okay, so here we have three buttons on this side and two buttons on the left side. So how to use them? Basically these are for media. So for example, I turn on the radio. Okay, so now you can use these buttons for volume up and down. Okay, so you can see. Okay, so this is for volume up and down, and then these buttons, they are if you want to use them to move forward or backward. So if I press this button, okay, you see it will change the frequency, it will move forward. If I press this down button, you can see it will go back. Okay, so you can see over here. The next thing is this middle button. This is for play and pause. So basically I'm using the radio, so if I use it, so you can see it will unmute it, and then if I use it again, it will mute it. So basically it will also use for your music, and if you want to play and pause, move forward and backward, for volume up and down. The next tip is related to anti-lost earbud option. So if you want to use that option, just go into the menu. Once you enter into the menu, just select this earbuds option. So once you select it, here you see the second option of anti-lost. If I just select it and then I press this middle button, okay, so if I again press it, okay, you will see the lights are start blinking. Okay, so here you can see this red color light, it start blinking. Okay, so if I select it, you can see now it start blinking. Okay, so blue and red color light. So here same in this earbud as well. Okay, so you can see. Okay, so this will help you to finding the earbuds. The next tip is about charging of these earbuds. So guys, these earbuds charge only when you attach them at the back of your phone like this. Okay, so now they start charging. Okay, and they will only charge once the phone is turned on. Okay, if you turned off the phone, there will be no charging. The next tip is related to lock screen shortcuts. So here you can see I have go to options, and here I have radio, so you can change them as well. If you don't want radio, here you want camera or other option you can use. So first of all, go inside the menu. Once you enter into the menu, just go into the settings. Okay, once you enter into the settings, just select this option of personalization. Okay, once you enter into the personalization, just scroll down and you see this option of keypad. Just select it. Once you select it, here you see the second option is about lock screen shortcuts, so you just select it. So here you have right key, radio, and left key go to. So I don't want to change the left key go to, I only want to change this right key radio, so I just select it. Once you select, here you have different option: camera, alarm clock, files, gallery, all the options are available. So you can select any of these option. For example, I want camera over here, so I just select it. So now you can see right key is now camera. I go back, and here you can see the camera icon is available. If I press it directly, it will turn on the camera. The next tip is related to power saving mode. You can enable the power saving mode in this phone to extend your battery life. Just go into the menu. Once you enter into the menu, just go to the settings. Okay, once you enter into the settings, just scroll down and you see this option of power saving mode. Just select it. Once you select it, here you can see it is now disabled. You can just change it by pressing the middle button. So now power saving mode will turn off mobile data, Bluetooth, and LCD brightness for extended power use. So if you want to turn it on, just press this middle button and it will turn on the power saving mode. The next tip is related to radio auto tuning. So you can do the radio auto tuning. Go inside the menu, just select this radio. Okay, this radio icon, just select it. Once you select, here you have these three lines. Just select this button underneath these three lines. So once you select it, here you see this option of auto tuning. Just select it and it will start searching different channels for you in the radio. So guys, this is for today's video. I hope you like the video. I hope you enjoy the video. So please subscribe to my channel. Thank you very much.